Why does equality not appear to be a symmetric relation in Python? I'm learning about comparison operators, and I was playing around with true and false statements. I ran the following code in the Python shell. As expected, this returned true. However, I then ran the following code, and there was a syntax error. Why was this? If the first line of code is valid syntax, then surely the second line of code should also be valid. Where have I gone wrong? To give a bit of background, my understanding is that equals in Python is only used for variable assignment, while equals is closely related to the mathematical symbol equals.
The syntax error seems to be caused by the not keyword, not, pun intended, the equality operator. The explanation can be found in the docs. Not has a lower priority than non-Boolean operators, so, not a equals b is interpreted as, not, a equals b, and, a equals not b, is a syntax error. Basically, the interpreter thinks you're comparing true to not.
I have the issue that some